let's do number 2. Sine 24. Is there a relationship between 24 and 36 and 12, your two reference angles, right? Is there a relationship? So that must be sine 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12 is 24. Also my compound angle, sine cos, cos sine, and the sine stays the same. 36 12, 36 12, and we put a minus. Sine 36 cos 12, P, minus cos 36 sine 12, cos 36 sine 12, Q. And guys, that is your final answer. Okay, so there we go. We've got question number 1, question number 2. We've answered question number 1. We've answered question number 2. We now got cos 24. But now you got a problem, right? Okay, the older generation, this is where you got to just step back a little. Cos 24, you might be saying, is cos 36 minus 12. Yes, it is cos 36 minus 12, but what's going to happen? The cos, when you break up the cos compound angle, it's not going to be sine cos cos sine. It's going to be cos cos sine sine. For cos, if you broke it up, just to show you, guys, we're coming towards the end of the show. I hope we got enough time, so I'm going to start picking up the pace. I think we've got a couple of minutes left. We've just been signaled. So we've got cos 24. If you had to say cos 36 minus 12, that would be cos cos sine sine. And that would be 36 12, 36 12. And that sign would change because of cos. But now you've got a problem because you don't have cos cos sine sine in terms of P and Q. You got sine cos cos sine. You don't have a cos cos sine sine. So what happens here, guys? I'm going to show you how it's done. Now we know from the previous one sine 24. What did we get sine 24? We got sine, it's the same reference angle, 24 24. Sine 24 we got as P minus Q from the previous one. And we know P minus Q is P minus Q over 1. So if we draw our triangle, that's opposite over hypotenuse. If I drew my triangle, and now some of you are saying, oh my word, is that how it's done? Sine 24, P minus Q over 1. That means this must be the square root of 1 minus P minus Q squared using Pythagoras. Yes, of course. So now to answer cos 24, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, square root of 1 minus P minus Q squared over 1, which is equal to the square root of 1 minus P minus Q squared. Boys and girls, that's the way we answer the last one. The last one, you answer it by looking at the one previous because it's the same reference angle, 24 degrees. So draw your diagram, sine opposite over hypotenuse. There we go. Use Pythagoras and then answer cos 24. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters all over the world, all over South Africa, we've even had guys who are sitting in prisons watching the K-Way Match Show. Thumbs up to you guys. They've even ordered our sets. We've sent our sets even through to prison. So if you're a prison inmate and you are watching the K-Way Match Show and you are now addicted to it, Alhamdulillah. Boys and girls, brothers and sisters, Islam is a unified religion. Mathematics is a universal language. Together, it makes one of the most explosive combinations in the world. Hope you guys enjoyed today's show and join us again for another jam-packed episode of the ITV Match Show. From me, Mohammed Kota, from the ITV studios here in South Africa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.